We have curve, symbol CRV versus the dollar being requested by Mr. DYOR. Going to look at a general overview for this one because this one has a really good setup right here. Golden cross on the daily, tested multiple times. This is what a perfect golden cross looks like, by the way. Within the format of a rising bottom reaccumulation formation, you might even call this. And it's any triangle right there, and we can make a measure move on this one, of which I suspect we have not hit the full on target just yet. Probably going. Actually, we have. Oh, that's interesting. Anyways, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to like turn down from there. Volume still pouring in on this move. This is exactly what you want to see as well. I expect maybe a short-term pullback in this region, maybe on like the hourly or 4 hour. You might have even already seen it, and then very likely extension all the way to the top side of the prior range at about 350 or so. Weekly looks really, 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 really good here actually. Weekly RSI telling the story. Great rejection of the bearish control zone right there. It probably does reach for the bullish control zone before it does push back a little bit, and that probably does come alongside maybe even new weekly closing highs here too. 5-day, phenomenal. Very, very good. I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing not just hit 350, but maybe $4 over the next week or two. Let's go look at momentum also over here and short-term time frames and judge if it's more likely to continue like now or later. 4 hours going to be up as long as above 294. Okay, interesting pivot right there. Hourly is going to be showing 292, and daily is going to be actually freshly up as long as above about 240. So yeah, I do think that this one does look pretty damn good for general continuation here. Where did I invalidate this one? Very, very simple on this one. Below about 266, I would say that this whole idea is invalidated. And to be fair, 4 hour BBWP is redlining right here. So I do think that you're coming into a short-term consolidation and sideways move relatively soon. Just does this one have one more stab up? Probably yes. And then comes down. Where does it hit before that? I don't really have any strong opinions on that. It's just a lower term time frame right here, to be fair. Might even already kind of be right at that level, but overall, very, very good setup. Golden cross, increasing volatility, and hidden bullish evidence on the daily. Trend, volatility, momentum, obviously moving average, just an easier way to look at trend, but there you go. And hopefully that was helpful for Curve.